Hello student, exercise 3.4, sum number 2, pair of linear equations in two variable. Statement is on your screen. Statement question, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, our fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2. If we only add 1 to the denominator, what is the fraction? For fraction, we need numerator and a denominator. Let numerator x, denominator y, then fraction becomes x by y. For solve the situations, form the situation, we should know meaning of every word. According to question, add 1 to numerator, x plus 1, subtract 1 from denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. Cross multiply, x plus 1, this one same, y minus 1 goes to right hand side with the numerator. जो ये न्यूमरेटर होते हैं वो अपनी जगह से नहीं हिलते. आप 1 को इसके साथ लेके जाएंगे, y माइनस 1 को इस 1 के साथ लेके जाएंगे. नाउ सॉल्विंग, x माइनस वाई, this one goes to right hand side. Equation 1 becomes x minus y equals to minus 2. Second equation, a fraction reduces to 1 if it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. X same, add 1 to denominator, then it becomes 1 by 2. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, 2 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आएगा और y1 प्लस राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा. सॉल्विंग, 1y1 2x minus y equals to 1. Equation number second in the standard form. Now we will solve these two equations by using elimination method. Equation 1, equation 2, here already same, cancel, x equals to 3. Put x in equation 1. Then y is 5. Hence fraction, because in demand numerator by denominator is your required answer. Part second. 5 years ago, ago means pehle, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. This type of questions most important age वाले question है. 10 years later, बाद में later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Let Nuri's age x years, Sonu's age we will take two variable because our chapter pair of linear equations in two variable. One statement comes from here and another one comes from here. 5 years ago, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, 5 साल पहले. सपोज कीजिए आज आप 12 ईयर्स के हैं तो 5 साल पहले कितने साल के थे? 7. आज आप 12 ईयर्स के हो, आफ्टर 10 ईयर 10 साल के बाद कितने के हो जाओगे? 22 ईयर्स. बट वी डोंट नो द प्रेजेंट एज, दैट्स वाई आई एम टेकिंग हियर नूरीज एज x, सोनूज एज y. 5 ईयर एगो, 5 साल पहले नूरी भी छोटी हो जाएगी 5 साल और सोनू भी छोटा हो जाएगा 5 साल. सी, बीच में हमने कोई भी साइन मार्क नहीं किया है, ध्यान से देखें. 5 year ago नूरी विल बी ट्वाइस, नूरी बड़ी है, ग्रेटर देन का साइन। बैलेंस करने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई द सोनूज एज बाय 3 बिकॉज शी वॉज थ्राइस। बैलेंस, मल्टीप्लाई द एज ऑफ सोनू बाय 3, सॉल्विंग 3y, 3 5s are 15. You will mark a line at the right side of the page for rough work in the notebooks. Now in standard form, x minus 3y minus 10, equation number 1. 10 years later, 10 साल बाद, Nuri will be plus 10, Sonu also plus 10. For balancing, multiply the age of Sonu by 2 because Nuri will be twice. Solving x minus 2y, 20 minus 10, x minus 2y equals to 10, equation number 2. Now we will solve these two equations by using elimination method. Change the sign. Y is 20. One thing is more important, that is never be negative. Put y in equation number 1. Then x is 50. Hence, at last you will write your answer. Nuri's age 50 years. Sonu's age 10 years is your required answer. Now, the part 3rd. Most important question. The sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. Here 2-digit number are from 10 to 99. Let I am choosing here a number that is 56. 6 at unit place, 5 at tens place. We need to form this number. Then how? Its expanded form, 50 plus 6. We can write it as 5 into 10 plus 6, means to say 10 into tens place plus unit place. To form any number of 2-digit, 10 into tens place plus unit place. See? Also 9 times of this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Find the number. Number having 2 digit. Let me take unit digit x, tens digit y, number obtained, number मिलना, 10 into tens place plus unit place, 10 into y plus x. Reversing means to say interchange, अदला बदला. X comes to tens place, y comes to unit place. After interchange, unit digit becomes x, y, and tens digit becomes x. Now the number is 10 into tens place plus unit place. Now see, 9 times of this number, इस नंबर का 9 times is equal to twice, 2 गुना है. Then द नंबर ऑब्टेन्ड बाय रिवर्सिंग द ऑर्डर ऑफ डिजिट्स। आप रफ में देखेंगे जो ओरिजिनल नंबर है उसका 9 टाइम्स इज ट्वाइस मीन्स टू से वो बड़ा है किससे 10x प्लस y से कितना ट्वाइस हाउ मच ट्वाइस। तो बैलेंस मल्टीप्लाई 2 बाय द आफ्टर इंटरचेंजिंग द डिजिट्स सॉल्विंग 9x minus 20x 90y minus 2y equals to 0 minus 11x plus 88y equals to 0. Take common 11. It becomes x minus 8y equals to 0. Equation number 1. Now the next. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Means to say unit place plus tens place. Unit place plus tens place is equals to 9. Equation number 2. Now we will solve it by using elimination method. Change the sign. Same opposite in sign. Minus का 9y equals to minus 9. Then y makes 1. Put y in equation 1. X is 8. X 8, y 1. Number is 10y plus x. 10 into 1 plus 8 makes 18. That is your required answer. You can justify your answer also. Justification. See, interchange the digits after interchanging 10x plus y. 9 times of this number 9 into 18 makes 162 is twice दुगना है किससे जब आपने डिजिट्स को इंटरचेंज किया इंटरचेंज करने पर आपको क्या मिला 81 सी 81 2 जा 62 मीन्स टू से आवर क्वेश्चन इज करेक्ट परफेक्ट। नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट 4th Meena went to bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and 100 she received. Let number of rupees 50 notes x number of rupees 100 notes y according to question. Total notes she have 25. Balance it. Right hand side constant term and the left hand side will come variable x plus y equals to 25. Equation number 1. Next one, she having rupees 50 note and rupees 100 note. Total money she receives 2000. Constant rupees. Now we will balance it to the variable rupees. 50 into x 50x rupees, 100 into y 100y rupees equals to 2000. Take common 50. X plus 2y is equals to 40. Equation number 2. We will solve it by using elimination method. Change the sign, cut. Y is equals to 15. Put y in 1. X plus 15 is equals to 25. Then x is equals to 10. Means to say she has 50 rupees note 10 and 100 rupees note 15. Answer rupees 50 notes she has 10 rupees 100 notes. She has a 15 is your answer. You can also justify this sum. 100 into 15, 1500. 15 to 10, 500 makes 2000. Fifth part. A lending library has a fixed charge for 3 days and additional charge for each thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept 7 days, while Sushi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge of each day. Let fixed charge rupees X, charge thereafter per day rupees Y. According to question, Sarita paid rupees 27, kept a book for 7 days. 3 days का चार्ज फिक्स है, दैट मीन्स एक्स. 7 डेज में से 3 गया 4. 4 डेज का चार्ज पर डे क्या लगेगा, रुपीज़ वाई. एक्स प्लस 4y इक्वल्स टू 27 for Sushi. She kept book for 5 days. Means to say first 3 days rupees x, next 2 days rupees 2y equals to 21. Solve it. Change the sign. Then y is equals to 3. Put y in equation 1. 4 into 3 equals to 27. We will put it in equation number 1. Then x is equals to 15. Hence, fixed charge, that is rupees 15, and additional charge per day, that is rupees 3, is your required answer. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.